Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and grounding yourself. Static will ruin components. Open the case and confirm physical connections. Reseat the SSD, swap cables or ports, and if M. 2. Remove and inspect standoff alignment. Next, boot into BIOS, press the correct key for your Asus board, and note the BIOS version and drive lists. Doing these first isolates hardware issues quickly and makes sure software steps later aren't chasing a loose cable or wrong slot. Once in BIOS, find storage configuration and set SATA to ASI for best SSD compatibility. Avoid switching modes after OS install unless you know how to fix drivers. Then confirm boot mode. Enable UEFI and disable CSM if your SSD uses GPT, or enable CSM for legacy installs, making sure secure boot settings match. For NVMe, check PCIe lane allocation. Some boards disable SATA when certain M.2 slots are active, so adjust slot population or move the drive to restore detection. Finish by updating your Asus BIOS to the latest stable release. Firmware fixes often restore device detection. If the SSD still doesn't appear, boot a USB utility or move the drive to another PC or adapter to isolate motherboard versus drive failure. If it's a software visible but uninitialized device, use the vendor's diagnostic and secure erase tools to reset metadata. And one key troubleshooting tip: if the drive remains invisible on multiple systems after these steps, prepare for warranty RMA. Physical failure is likely.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.